Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, another Wizarding World Loot Crate video. This is a big one. Look at this! Fills up the whole screen. It's got a platform 9 3/4 sticker and I've remembered the theme. It's all about travel, like in the Wizarding World. So, I've had this for a few days. I am totally ready to get into it. So let's open it up. God, that's the worst ripping of a label I've ever done. It's terrible. Okay, and we're in. I've kind of ruined the front of the box. Here we go. First look. Ooh, big yellow thing. And a map. Ooh, that's fancy. Mappa Mundi, whatever that means. Okay. First thing that I see is a t-shirt. Let's have a look. It's black / yeah, it's black. It's a black t-shirt. Let's open it up together. Oh wow, it's got something on the back. I love t-shirts that have something on the back. Ooh, okay. So we have like a plain black t-shirt on the front, but it has a little thing on the breast, I suppose, which says Ministry of Magic Visitor. This permit must be displayed at all times. So it's like a little badge that you'd wear if you were visiting the Ministry of Magic. Ooh, that's so cool. And then on the back, the big Ministry of Magic sign thing, logo. Ministry of Magic, oh my God. That's a really cool one. I like that a lot. Now there is a big thing here that I kind of want to leave till last because it's so big. Okay, right. Okay, let me get out the thing that I'm excited for. There's an eye mask. I've been looking for an eye mask recently, so this is absolutely perfect. Oh my God. And it's got Luna's glasses on them. Spectra specs. Ooh, okay. So it's like a blue shade on the front, and it's kind of like velvety, soft material. It's like a furry kind of material. Then it's got like a plasticky print of her glasses on there, and then on the actual eye side it's kind of like a silky material. It's got a strap, adjustable. I can't put it on right now. There we go. They've been listening to me. They read my mind. I really wanted an eye mask. I really wanted an eye mask. How did they know? I'm really glad I didn't buy one. You can get similar ones to these in Boots. I'm amazed. Next that I have seen is a travel sticker set. So they're stickers, of course. Ooh, and they've got prints on them. So the first one is an illustration of Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. The next one is of Grindelwald escaping, I assume. Got some Thestrals pulling along a little cart, so I do assume that is Grindelwald in there. Ooh, we've got a Magical Congress of the United States of America logo. That one's really cool. That one's my favourite so far. Ooh, a Voyage à Paris. That one's pretty. There's so many in here. This one is Ministère des Affaires Magiques. I don't know what that means. I guess that's another logo. And a Le Cirque Arcanus Musée de Curiosité Vivante. It's probably not right at all, but there's that one as well. I love stickers. I don't know if we've ever got stickers before. I'm never going to want to use them, but I should use them because they are so cool. We've only got 2 things left already. I will show you the big thing now that I have been leaving until basically last. So it says, oh my God, it's a Hufflepuff picnic / travel mat, 43 by 59 inches. Let me open it up. Oh, it's like a little bag. It's got a little handle. It's velcroed together, so that's really cute. For picnics, like it says. I'm never going to be able to fold this up again. Right, let me see how it's like a big old line. I'm never going to be able to close this again. Okay, I can't tell what's going on. Ooh, how am I going to show you this? It's got a big H on it and a badger at the top. Can you see? Some cool like diamondy patterns down the side. And the H goes all the way down. You can't even see it. Big H. And then at the bottom, Hufflepuff. Oh, and it's very fleecy. It's 100% polyester. Wow, that's so cute. I don't go on very many picnics though. Maybe I'll have to just like keep this in my car as an emergency blanket or something because it folds up really nicely. On to the last thing, I suppose, which is the pin. So it's the next one in the Magical Creatures series. So let's open it together. It's a Thestral! Oh my god. It's blue. It's in the same style as the other Magical Creatures with the thick outline. I love the Thestrals. This one is so cute. So that's the pin. That's probably my favourite of the Magical Creatures so far. We've got Hedwig and we've got a Phoenix. That's what we've got. And now we've got a Thestral. I think that is my favourite one. So that's everything already. We've just got the paper. Travel the Wizarding World. Whether by broom, train or flying car, prepare to travel the Wizarding World with magical gear fit for witches, wizards and muggles alike. Ta-da! Ooh, look at everybody's picnic blankets. Ooh, so everything in this box has been exclusive to this box, to this loot crate. So that is everything. It's actually really hard to pick a favourite thing from this box because it's all great. I love it all. I love the stickers. I love the Spectre specs. This is probably the one I'm going to get the most use out of. Tell me what your favourite thing is from this box. I always love to know what your favourite things are from each box. So let me know in the comments below. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope to see you again in the next one, and I will talk to you again very soon. Bye.